Hello everybody and welcome back to another edition of Matchbox Marks Diecast Restorations. So on the roundabout today, we got another restoration of a classic Lesney. So this is the Dodge Crane Truck. It is missing its front hook, which I think I might have one. I'll have to check my parts bin. So let's see if we can read this. Let's see here. There it is, number 63, Dodge Crane Truck. So the back is really loose, so I'm gonna have to fix that. Anyway, the window is in good shape, and I think I've done one of these before, but anyway, this will be a fun resto. They're always fun. So anyway, that's on today's docket. Let's get the big book out and see what it says. Stick around. Alright, so here is the Dodge Crane Truck. That's how it should look. So we're going to see if we can get it looking like that. Let's see if there's any variation. So this one's got a red hook. So let's go to the book. And let me see here, 63, there it is, the Dodge Crane Truck. It looks like the only difference is a red hook or yellow hook. And I think I have both. So that'll be cool to bring it back to its glory. All right, there it is. So let's have a fun time and make this look nice. All right, stick around. All right, folks, here we are, the Dodge Crane. I really like the detail on this. I wish I could customize this and really bring out all the details, but it's a resto. All right, so one rivet on the bottom. There we go. And I'm going to tap a hole and put a screw in there. And then that window is held in by a little rivet. So take that off. And then this front end comes off like that. And I'll definitely be painting this. A little chewed up there in the front, probably too many front end collisions. And then this just pops out like this. There you go. Pretty simple casting. All right, 6 tires, a couple windshields, and the stripper she goes. All right, stick around. All right, here's an update on my Dodge Crane. Wasn't too bad getting the old paint off. Show you the detail of this. I have done this one in the past, but I wasn't a fan how it turned out with the color. So hopefully this one will turn out better. So there's the body. And then here's the crane mechanism. Look at that good detail there with the rivets. There's the grill from the engine. Let's see if I can get that to focus. There we go. It's about as close as my camera can get. All right, folks. Put a nice coat of yellow on this and see where we're at. Stick around. All right, before we take a look at the final reveal, let's see what I started with. Started with a factory classic Dodge Crane Truck. All right, let's see where I ended up. All right, it is time for my reveal for my Matchbox Dodge Crane. So I'm really happy the way this one turned out, especially the paint. So I took yellow Tamiya, and then I added a drop of red and a drop of orange just to get this kind of off shade and everything. So this one was pretty fun. I've done this one before, but the color didn't come out as good as this, so I might have to redo that one someday. So anyway, let me know what you think of it. And as always, I want to thank you for watching. I got many more Restos coming down the pipeline, so stay tuned for that. And on that note, I'll catch you on the next video.
That's all, folks.